Hi everyone, I am Sandeep Ranjan, and in this tutorial video today we are going to learn about how to do SWOT analysis. So if we think about SWOT analysis, then basically it gives us an idea about some strength, weakness, opportunity and threats. So let's discuss in detail. So, how to identify strength? So, basically, this is an internal task which we have to do for some sort of brand. Let's say, for example, we have any specific brand for fashion apparel or automobile or mobile, any particular product. First of all, we have to check their USP. What is their unique selling points? And then we have to see how they are different by design or by quality craftsmanship or by a strong brand image. Then after that, it is also very important to check internal resources, which includes skill design team, efficient supply chains, and manufacturing capabilities. Then after that, we need to consider brand recognition, customer loyalty, and positive association with the brand. Once strength is figured out for any specific brand, then we have to identify weakness. This is also a tool which we have to use it mostly internally. Like for that particular brand, what are the internal factors which makes that particular brand weak? So for that, we need to analyze areas where the brand may be lacking, such as limited financial resources, or they don't have latest technology, they are outdated with technology, or production inefficiencies. Then we have to assess weaknesses in marketing strategies, what sort of strategy they are following, what sort of customer services they are providing, or any negative perception associated with the brand. It means like there is some sort of wrong perception, wrong thinking about that particular brand. And then we have to evaluate the brand's weakness in comparison to competitors. Those who are like, let's say, suppose for example, if we have a t-shirt product, then t-shirts, there are so many brands. Let's say H&M, Zara, Puma. If you go to US Polo, Monte Carlo, so they all are having t-shirts. So they all are competitors to each other. Then after that, we need to identify opportunities, which again comes from external factors. We have to do some research on emerging trends in the fashion industry and also identify opportunities for the brand to capitalize on these trends. Then consider expanding into new markets, either geographically or by targeting different customer segments. Then you have to evaluate partnerships, collaborations, or other strategic alliances that could enhance the brand's reach or offerings, which will also engage customer input. And at last, it comes for threats. This is also one sort of external factor where we need to first of all analyze external factors that could pose challenges such as like changes in customer preference or economic downturns or global events impacting the supply chain management. Then we need to assess the competitive landscape, which includes the presence of new entrants, new brands coming with the same product with some latest technologies or let's say latest design or trends. We have to establish competitors or disruptive technologies. So we have to check all these things one by one. And after that, we need to consider regulatory changes or we have to shift in the culture and social landscape that could affect the brand negatively. So once you are done with this SWOT, then we need to prioritize and interpret findings. So rank all the identified factors based on their significance and impact on the fashion brand. Consider the interplay between different factors, for example, a strength in design innovation, could counterbalance a weakness in production efficiencies. Then prioritize actions based on the most critical areas for improvement or the most promising opportunities. Once these things are done, then after that it comes like develop strategies. So use your insights gained from the SWOT analysis to develop your strategies, which will leverage strength, address weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats. So create an action plans to implement these strategies, setting clear objective and timelines. That's all for the day. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning.